Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara. So today I'm coming to you guys with another wig install, but mainly what I'm going to be going over in this video is kind of how to take care of curly hair and what you should do in reference to prepping it before you actually install curly hair. So if you want to learn all about this wig, what I did to make it look like this, and how I installed it, then continue to watch this video. Guys, so a wig that I'm going to be installing is from a company called RiRiHair. This box is so cute, and so I'm going to show you guys what came in the little box. So it has a detangling brush. I'm so happy they sent this because I've been wanting one of those. And then it comes with 2 wig caps, and this here is the wig. So it's 18 inches and it's a naturally curly texture. That's what it's called, Brazilian hair. And it comes with an elastic band, which has a bunch of different ways that you can like hook it on, you know. And it has a comb in the back and then 3 combs up front. So this is the wig here, what it looks like. It's super pretty. I love the deep curls that it comes with. So what I'm doing here is I'm just washing the hair first. So if you do see some shedding while I'm washing it, it's probably because I did have to pluck the entire hairline of this wig. So while you're washing me, you might see some strands coming out. It's mainly because of that, because when you're plucking hair, a lot of hair does come out. So the shampoo and conditioner that I use is the Moroccan Oil Curls shampoo and conditioner, and the conditioner is a white bottle and it's like the coconut. And I feel like this is really good for curly hair, definitely wigs, because it adds moisture back into the hair. Because since it's not attached to your natural scalp, you definitely need to be adding like moisture onto your wig hair, like any weave hair, anything like that. So you want to be using shampoo and conditioner that has a lot of that in it, especially for curly hair, because those usually do dry out easily. So that's basically what I've been doing here, just washing and conditioning everything. So once I have everything all rinsed out, the next important step that you should do is you want to go ahead and scrunch the hair. So by scrunching the hair, you're going to kind of maintain that curl pattern while it dries. So this is what the wig looks like. As you see, everything was all plucked and everything. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add oil to the hair. So this is the oil that I'm using. It's the argan oil, and I'm just going to be adding it throughout the entire head. And I'm also just going to take my detangling brush as well, and we're just going to comb the product through as much as we possibly can. So you don't need to like super saturate it with oil, but just put a good amount, especially since we're kind of do like a wash and go type method with this wig, because it looks best like that in my opinion. So the next thing that I've been doing is that I'm adding leave-in conditioner to the wig, and I'm going to be adding gel. So I used the leave-in conditioner from Loda Body, and then I used the Eco Styler green gel to hold the curls. So you definitely want to make sure you add the oil and leave-in conditioner so it still has that shine and it doesn't look like super hard with the wash and go look. So this is what it looks like after it's pretty much all dried out. It looks really pretty. So I'm just going to place the wig on my head first. So this is kind of what it looks like after I pluck the hairline and everything, and I'm just seeing how it's going to fit on my head and just making sure that it's going to cover all of my natural hair and whatnot. So after I have that all set, I'm going to kind of mark off the hairline. So I'm just using a white eyeliner, and I'm basically marking off where I need to apply the glue. This is very helpful because you don't want to apply glue too far down or too far up. Like, you just want to make sure it's just right. So to apply my wig, I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Active. This glue is gold for me, you guys. I like sweat easily on my forehead, So every other glue that I use just does not last long for me, but this one right here, when I say it has a much stronger hold, I mean it has a much stronger hold. Like, I can keep this on for like 2 weeks if I really wanted to, but I don't keep my wigs on that long just because I feel weird. Like, I keep them on maybe a week and a half, and I have to take it off, wash it, and then reapply it. That's just me. I don't know why, but I just have to do that. But I actually can keep it on for a long time. So that's why I really like the Bold Hold Active, especially for people who sweat easily or have super oily skin. I think the Bold Hold Active is definitely a go. Like, when I tell you it holds, it holds. So I'm just adding my second layer of the glue onto my head. I only did 2 layers, and when I tell you the 2 layers works, it works, y'all. And definitely make sure that you are spreading the glue out so it's nice and flat, so it dries nice and clear, and you don't have any patches in your install. So now, once it's all dried and clear, I'm just gonna place the wig onto my head and make sure it's sitting on there pretty nicely. So after I have everything all placed on, like how I wanted to, I know, as you can see, like, I'm really trying to work it in there because this cap it didn't come down far enough on the sides for me, but I was still trying to make it work because I didn't want to leave my edges out for this wig. But I was able to pull it down, so that's good. So once I have it all on there, I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer, and on a cool temperature, I'm going to kind of lock everything in place. And but as I was doing this, I noticed that the top of my hairline was looking a little too squared off. So I didn't dry the top completely, so I could go in with my scissors, as you see here, and kind of cut the hairline some. I kind of just curved it out and gave myself a widow's peak because I naturally have a widow's peak. So I feel like this definitely made it look more natural and not as squared off because it was blowing me at first. So I had to go ahead and fix that outright. And I think after I did that, everything looks so much better. So now I'm just going in with powder that matches my skin tone, and I'm just filling in the lace. The lace was pre-bleached, but it was a little too dark. So just a tad bit too dark. So that's why I'm going in with my powder, and I'm just filling in just the lace a little bit because I don't want it to be too powdery looking. And after that, I'm just going to kind of lay my edges a little bit. So I'm using an edge brush and the Freeze Blast from Got2b. That's all I use to lay my edges, really. Or you can use foaming mousse. So I use that or the other, and then I just go in with a wrap strip, and this is how you lock everything in place, like, really well and make it look more natural. So you want to leave it on for at least like 15 minutes or so to let everything dry completely, and then you just go ahead and cut the wrap strip off, and there you have it. It's gonna come out looking so much better and more natural and everything. It kind of got stuck there, so I had to cut that piece off. But yeah, I'm just spraying some like shine mist on my hair, and that's pretty much it. Like, I love this wig. I love how it looks. Like, it looks so good. And if you guys want to learn more, then continue to watch it, and I will have a link listed below on where you can get this hair. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be pretty much it. I hope you guys did like this video, and I hope you love this hair as much as I do. Now, this one looks so natural to me. I'm just getting better and better at this wig game, y'all. Like, once I really master this down, it's gonna be over, like everyone. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. I plucked this whole hairline myself. So if you guys want a plucking video, let me know, and I definitely will do it for the next wig that I have coming in. But yeah, I want to say thank you to RiRiHair because I feel like overall presentation was really pretty as well. The packaging looked amazing, and this hair quality is perfect, and I love the texture of this hair. I feel like it just looks super natural. Like, this natural curly is like amazing. Like, I could rock this a lot. But yeah, this is so cute, you guys. Like, this is really nice. Like, really nice. And for it to be curly hair too, like, this is really nice. Okay, let me stop and just get off the screen. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and have all those notifications on so you don't miss anything. And yeah, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and enjoy the rest of your week.